Welcome all of you. Myself Sunita Bharadi. We have to discuss about unit number 3rd IR spectroscopy from paper number 10 organic chemistry. Infrared spectroscopy. In last lecture we have to discuss about basic concepts of IR spectroscopy, conditions for absorption of IR radiations, principles of IR radiations. Today we have to discuss about the most important point is fundamental modes of vibration. This is the important point to your examinations. So discuss we first point is stretching and bending vibrations are called fundamental modes of vibrations. Means modes of vibration, this is two types, stretching vibrations and bending vibrations. And second point is change in bond length gives stretching vibrations. Means stretching vibrations change in bond length and bending vibration means change in bond angle. In polyatomic molecule, the number of fundamental modes of vibration can be calculated by number of fundamental modes of vibration is equal to 3n minus 6. N means number of atoms in molecule and 6 means it is degree of freedom, means 3 translational degree of freedom plus 3 rotational degrees of freedom. Both are not required for vibrational motion, so they are minimized. And next, in linear molecule, number of fundamental modes of vibration is equal to 3n minus 5. This is the fundamental modes of vibration, and we have to discuss in chart vibration modes of vibrations. It is divided into two types, bond stretching and bond bending. In bond stretching, two types, coupled stretching and isolated stretching. In coupled stretching two types, symmetrical and unsymmetrical. And second is bond bending. We have to discuss about in plane and out of the plane. In plane have two types, rocking and scissoring, and out of the plane wagging and twisting. We have to discuss about in detail. First is bond stretching vibration. Bond stretching vibrations, they have two types. First is isolated stretching vibrations and second is coupled stretching vibrations. And we study first isolated stretching vibrations. What is meant by isolated stretching vibration? It is stretching between two atoms with respect to each other. For example, OH, CO, etc. Bond shows stretching. So see here in structure, it is isolated stretching vibrations. Means both are stretching between two atoms with respect to each other. And second is coupled stretching vibrations, means stretching between two atoms with respect to common central atom. What is stretching between two atoms with respect to common central atoms? And it has two types. First is symmetrical and second is asymmetrical or unsymmetrical. And we have to discuss first symmetrical coupled stretching. What is meant by symmetrical coupled stretching? Means both atoms move towards or away from central atom. In focus you are on arrow, both atoms move towards or away from central atoms. And in unsymmetrical coupled stretching, one atom moved towards and one atom moved away from central atoms. See on arrow, one atom moved towards and one atom moved away from central atom. It is called asymmetrical or unsymmetrical stretching vibration. Then next is second point, bending vibrations. Bending vibrations means here bond length remains same but bond angle changed. Bond length is same but bond angle is changed is called as bending vibrations and also called as deforming vibrations. What is also called as deforming vibrations, and it has two types. First is in plane bending vibrations and second is out of plane bending vibrations. So we discuss in first point in plane bending vibrations. In plane bending vibration means it is vibrating atoms remains in the plane is called in plane bending vibrations, and it has two types. First is rocking vibrations and second is scissoring vibration. And we first study rocking vibrations. Rocking vibration means back and front vibrations of atoms move simultaneously. कसे होतील? बॅक अँड फ्रंट मीन्स सेंट्रल ॲटम असणार, बॅक साईडचा एक ॲटम्स अँड फ्रंट साईडचा एक ॲटम्स मीन्स वन अप साईड अँड वन डाउन साईड. बॅक अँड फ्रंट vibrations of atoms move simultaneously. See here in structure, rocking structure, back and front atoms move simultaneously. How? Move simultaneously. See here in arrow, one, both atoms are goes to right side or goes to left side is called rocking vibrations. And next point is scissoring vibrations. Back and front vibrations of atoms move towards each other. Means back and front vibrations of atoms move towards each other. Means in here structure, this is scissoring vibrations. Back and front atoms of vibrations is scissoring like, means atoms move towards each other. दोन्ही अट्रॅक्ट होतील किंवा दोन्हीही दूर जातील, यालाच काय म्हणतो आपण? इट इज कॉल्ड सिझरिंग व्हायब्रेशन्स. अँड नेक्स्ट इज आउट ऑफ प्लेन बेंडिंग vibration. Out of plane bending vibration means vibrating atoms move out of the plane, and it has two types, wagging vibrations and twisting vibrations. So see first wagging vibrations. Wagging vibration means back and front vibrations of atoms move simultaneously out of the plane. Means wagging vibrations, back and front means one positive and one negative. Positive means upside and negative means downside. What is the definition? Back and front vibrations of atoms move simultaneously out of the plane. Back and front means up and downside. So see here, positive means upside, negative means downside. Both are show positive positive or negative negative. It is called simultaneously and it's called wagging vibrations. And next is twisting vibration. In this, one atom moves above the plane and the other atom moves below the plane. See here, one atom moves above the plane means one side positive is above the plane and negative is below the plane, and second is above the plane and below the plane. It is called as twisting vibration. This is the fundamental modes of vibrations. And once again I say to, this is the most important point to your examination. Thank you.